Not your keys, not your coins. If you're active in any capacity in crypto, then for sure you're already familiar with this phrase. But now the ordinals are adding a bit of an extra dimension to it. And at the end of the day, ordinals are satoshis, or sats, 1/100 millionth of a Bitcoin. In fact, the smallest possible denomination of a Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin, said differently, has 100 million satoshis. However, the difference is that ordinals have an inscription. And you wouldn't want to spend one of these inscribed ordinals inadvertently, and that's why you need a wallet that can specifically distinguish between a normal Satoshi and an ordinal. So we're going to break down the 3 best wallets out there right now for ordinals. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck as always if you choose to invest. Just remember, I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and so this video is not official financial or investment advice. Okay, we begin at number 1 with the UniSat Wallet. We're on unisat.io. The link to this wallet website will be available in the description below, so check that out. But really, UniSat is one of the OG ordinal wallets. It also offers several advantages over the other wallets out there. So for instance, it's actually got some differences compared to the official wallet or the Ordinals Wallet. And you may notice that these wallets do also have some limitations. Here it's also a non-custodial wallet and it's open source, which is nice. Let's discuss some of those limitations. So for example, when you want to use the official wallet, you also need to run a full node. In the Ordinals Wallet, you can store NFTs. However, you cannot transfer them. On the other hand, the UniSat Wallet here is a browser extension, which means you can easily install it on your Chrome browser. It's very lightweight, and that's in pretty high contrast to the original wallet, actually. UniSat boots very quickly, and you can do exactly what you normally would with any Bitcoin transaction. In other words, send, receive, or store NFTs if you want, or in this case, ordinals. And as we know, NFTs are non-fungible. But on the other hand, BRC20 tokens are fungible. However, they're also compatible with the Bitcoin network. Another important feature is that UniSat recognizes unconfirmed NFTs right on the spot. And that means that you don't have to wait before you see your inscription details. The miners can mine them now, and they go into a certain block. No other existing Ordinals compatible wallet or Explorer offers this option. And really, that feature alone makes UniSat one of the top choices here. Here's what you have to do to get the wallet. So first of all, go to the website shown here, unisat.io. You can also click on the link in the description of this video. Then click on download from Chrome Store, but only go there from this link. You're going to see this after you click it, showing you that it has over 300,000 users. This is the right one to download as a browser extension. Just keep in mind that there are 2 very suspect looking ones in the Google Play Store right now. Do not download either one of them. The official one is the one from the link from the website to the Chrome Web Store for the extension. All right, moving right along. And at number 2 on our list, we're looking at the XVerse Wallet, which saw the light of day really a day before Ordinals Wallet launched. So it came first technically. And their goal is to offer the most advanced Bitcoin wallet because they see themselves as a so-called Bitcoin wallet for Web3. It's available as a Chrome extension and for your Android and iOS mobile devices. The features it offers are buying, selling, storing, and of course, inscribing your ordinals. And the good news is that for XVerse, you also don't need to run a node in order to inscribe Satoshis. You only need a little bit of Bitcoin to cover the transaction fees. They use the Gamma NFT marketplace to make inscriptions, but just keep in mind that it can take around 20 to maybe 30 minutes before you can see your NFTs. And XVerse also makes it easy to inscribe your own ordinals. Just upload an image or text and then send a transaction to your ordinals address. And that's a simple and fast way to join this rapidly growing market. You can buy and sell your ordinals not only on Gamma, but also on Magic Eden, which is shown here. For this, they use PSBTs. These are partially signed Bitcoin transactions. So to clarify, they make the transactions human readable on their interface. Also, an interesting feature they offer is their fiat on-ramp option. You can buy Bitcoin and pay for transaction fees, and XVerse Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which of course means that you're in charge of your own assets in the wallet. And last but not least, here at number 3, we're looking at Ordinals Wallet, which launched on the 16th of February. And then within the first week, users created over 100,000 wallets. It was one of the early wallets that could store and hold your ordinals. And by the way, this wallet also allowed you to view your ordinals, which may not sound like anything too innovative, but everything surrounding Ordinals is so new that this actually used to be a big thing at the time of launch in February of this year. So for example, transferring, sending, or inscribing really wasn't even considered. The team added all of these features later, actually, believe it or not. And besides files or NFTs, text, and BRC20 tokens, they also offer a name service. However, this wallet only stores Ordinals and Bitcoin. The wallet also offers an easy-to-use interface. For instance, as shown here, you can also buy BTC with fiat through MoonPay. And what's actually fascinating about the wallet is that it's self and community funded. So partially, yes, they rely on donations, but it's also a marketplace, and the wallet is non-custodial. The marketplace offers NFTs, BRC20 tokens, and SNS names. And like the other two wallets that we featured on this list, the Ordinals wallet is non-custodial. It also has some pretty good features to offer. For example, multi-signature support, two-factor authentication, cold storage options, and you can view your transaction history. Let me know among these three wallets if you've used any of them, if you have a favorite, if you have one that you like the least, or maybe there's a wallet that I didn't mention here, Hero comes to mind. Let me know about that and your experience in the comments below. But if you're interested in using any one of these for the functionality that we covered in this video, check out the links in the description below.